So we have a toy here. Alex, say hi.
Hi.
My name is Alex. Okay, all right. So we're gonna review this toy. All right. And so we're gonna open it.
Daddy, I get scissors.
You got scissors? No, Daddy have it right here. Let me see. Yeah, let's open it this way. Yes. Alex, you're 3 years old, right? You're 3.5 years old.
Okay, Daddy.
All right. And then we have a toy in here. And let's see what the toy is, okay?
Wow! I like it, Daddy. I like it.
Oh, this is lovely cartoon car.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
It's a remote control car. Here it says, lovely cartoon car, 3-button music and lights. And it has a remote control.
What? More deer.
Yeah, it's a remote control here. And car. And it has a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah.
This item was really highly rated on Amazon. It has 4.5 stars and over thousands and thousands of reviews. So it's got to be a pretty good product, right?
Yeah.
And this is the box. This is the box there. And more over here. Yeah. And we're gonna open up this one, okay, Alex?
Okay, Daddy. We're opening it.
Yeah, we're opening it. Alright. Oh, here's something else. So, it uses 2 AA and 3 AA. So it uses a total of 5.
What, Daddy?
It uses 5 AA right here. It uses, see? Battery. It uses 1 battery, 2 battery for the remote control, and it uses 1, 2, 3. 3 batteries for the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna open it, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Let's open it.
Wow.
Wait. We need to open this one.
Whoa.
Let's open it. Alright, let's pull it out. Alright.
What day? What day?
Wait, hold on. So this is it right here.
Whoa. There.
Yeah, okay. So we have to open it, okay? Wait. Can you wait a minute, Alex?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can wait a minute? Okay. So this one here, you turn it like this. Turn at the bottom.
I like it.
Yeah, you turn at the bottom here. And then you turn this at the bottom to open it. Okay. Please include batteries. Please include batteries.
What day?
So this is the car, okay? Hey, no. Here. Wait, Alex, stop. We have to do it here, see? Slow down, okay? See, you have to open it first. See? You open it, it's some twists, ties.
It's just size.
Yeah, it's
I like it.
yeah. Let's open it. You wanna get them out?
Yeah.
All right. And then here, Daddy, open this one.
More here.
So where does he go, Alex? Does he sit somewhere? Does he sit somewhere?
That one.
Yeah, you sit. Put him in. Yeah. And then this is the remote. So this is the remote, and this is the car. Vroom. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put batteries in it, okay? So there's gonna be 5 batteries. So let's go get some batteries.
Yeah.
So this one has or needs 3 batteries, and this needs 3 batteries. So we need 5 batteries, right? So we went and we got 5 batteries, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep, 5 batteries. Okay, so now we're gonna put battery in here. Okay? Okay, so I want to put 2 batteries in here, okay? So we'll put 1 battery in here, another battery in here, and that's 2 batteries. And when it closes up, okay? Close it up. Close it up like this, and close this like that. Okay, so we have that already. And then now we need to put 3 batteries in here. Good job, Alex. Alright, so we're gonna put 3 batteries in here. Here's 1, right? Oh, the other way. Turn it around. Like this. Like this. Yeah, like that. Push it in. No, like that, like this, Alex. There. Push it in like this, okay? Or Daddy can do it for you. Yeah? Alright, and then we're gonna close this. And then, where's the, wait. Let's put back all the tools first, okay? So, yeah, put back all the tools. And then, right here, there's an on button at the bottom. There's an on button here. Let's put it on. And then, whoa! Oh! Oh! Okay. Can Daddy see?
Yeah.
Okay. So on the control, you can go forward, and then if you can turn. Okay. So how about this? We're gonna turn off real quick, okay? And then we're gonna clean up, and then we're gonna play, okay?
Yeah.
So wait a minute, okay? Can you get the driver out? Yeah. So the driver come out, and then it has a, what number is this, Alex?
1.
1. And then what color is this?
More 1.
Yeah, what color is it?
Red
Red and
yellow.
yellow and
Mm,
red and yellow and what? Red, yellow, and green. Okay?
Wood.
Yeah.
Orange.
And orange. Yes. How about the control? What color is the control?
Red and orange and green.
Red and what?
And yellow and blue.
Red and yellow and blue. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Cool. Go. Oh, he's spinning around. You like it?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I like it.
You like it? Okay. Can you go forward? Yeah. Go back.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wood.
Go.